One thing I have learned since traveling with Mike, always put your phone back in your pocket. Don't lay it on the bike because you might take off without it. And then you just might, maybe, just might, throw a fit when you're talking to a foreigner overseas about your phone being lost and then not following what you're trying to say late at night in Indiana. And you might knock over a trash can. So you've been forewarned. Those things can happen. I'm just saying. Yay, it's raining. Yay for us. So, on the off chance I don't want to get the DJI Pocket 3 drenched, I'm going to pull this off and I'm going to get ready in the rain, and I will see you all at the hotel. Thanks for watching thus far. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ, that hurt. In the hotel, I'm in Woodstock, Georgia. I'm a little farther away from Traction Dynamics than I thought. About 10 minutes, maybe, by highway, so hopefully I can get an Uber or something to get back here tomorrow. Because I'm guessing they're not going to let me take the other Goldwing they got and just go tooling around. That'd be awesome, though. But I went to Kroger, got some groceries and stuff, so I got food. Other than the food I brought, I'm going to have some Indian food that we had left over from the Indian restaurant Mike and I went to the other day. I didn't buy any paper towels. Fucking. But anyways, other than that, everything else looks pretty good. I'm going to eat some stuff. I haven't ate anything but a hamburger this morning and my overnight oats at the rest area, which you just previously saw. So I'm hungry. I'll probably eat more than just this, but I went and got some pickles. David bars, the protein bars. These things are awesome if you guys don't eat them. These are delicious protein bars. Zero sugar, sodium 170, protein 28 grams. I love these things. Usually they're $3 a piece. I got it for $2.79 at Kroger, so I bought 16 of them. Yeah, I know. Probably didn't need those on this trip, but you know, they might not be on sale when I get home, and now they're done. I'll have them for the rest of the trip. I got tomorrow night here at this hotel, which is a very nice room, a suite. I'll go over that once I get me, because I'm so hungry. Unfortunately, the fridge is just a fridge and not a freezer, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet about the ice blocks. I'll probably just fill it up with ice when I leave. You know, the other one I know for sure doesn't have a freezer too, so a lot of the food will be gone too. I got some pinto beans. I bought some pickles. I bought some rice cake crisps, plates, tortillas, a whole bunch of David bars, a thing of bananas. I have apples here. I have pop. I didn't get any water. I should have, but there's a sink, and I got a glass. Hot sauce, because those packets were just annoying me. Yeah, so there you go. Not a whole lot else for the night. I'm just going to relax. It's 9:17 at night on the 28th. And tomorrow I drop the bike off at Traction Dynamics, and I got to look when I get done eating and see what they got for around here for Ubers or Lyfts. I imagine they got something that looks like a pretty decent sized place. I've never taken an Uber or a Lyft. I've really never even taken a taxi. I drove a taxi for a while. Oh. And this is the Indian food. Oh, I'm going to eat the hell out of this. Okay, so I'm trying something new. You might notice I have a shirt hanging up here. The Fortnite thing hanging up here. I did find out my shirt has a couple little holes in it. REI, it sucks. I've had it quite a few years though, so I guess. And I'm washing my socks. I did do laundry at Mike's, but I'm doing the laundry I did at Mike's again because I sweated quite a bit today, and I figure instead of doing the laundry in the thing, I'm going to try doing it in the sink. I've never really done it that way before in a hotel. But what the hell? So, welcome to Laundry Time with Jay. Using shampoo to wash it with. Hotel shampoo. I'm here more than one day, so I'm sure this will probably dry by the time I leave. I don't know how long wool socks took to dry, but I got more, so it's not the only clothes I have. Well, that would be an interesting way to do a trip, wouldn't it? One change of clothes, do the laundry every night in the sink. Maybe I'll try that next time. Well, not next time. Maybe I'll try that for a weekend trip. See what I can accomplish. Just take your clothes you're going to have on you and a pair of shorts and wash them when you get to the hotel in the sink. That'd be funny. I'm sure people do it. Traction Dynamics opens at 9 tomorrow. And I had the bike over there at that time. I don't know the area real well. I was over there today at Traction Dynamics. But thinking Atlanta area, could be some pretty heavy traffic at that time of the day for whatnot. So I'm going to have to go the back way when I go. I gotta figure out how to film some of that. Maybe not really going there, but the return after I pick it up, I'll see if I can take some cameras with me. Probably just some basic stuff. But we'll see. Alright, this is our drying station. This is why I'm single. Yeah. And I'll give you a tour of the room. I'm presently putting the food area together. All the food I'll have. And then down here is all the food Kim really helped me put together in those freeze-dried packs. Got bananas and my Ninja blender. I love this thing. This thing is badass. Battery operated. I'll go over more of that when I get back from my trip. Protein powders, rice cake stuff, quick oats because they work better. Container for quick oats. And then I'm putting the rest of this shit together. So it'll be a while for me, but it'll be instant for you. Much better. Alright, so we have the bed. Forensic files on the TV. It's a suite I got this time for the 2 days. I wanted something with a little more room. So we have the armoire closet, which has my stuff in it. Helmet, electronics, charging kits, stuff for other things. Bag full of pop and the pan, stuff to use on the side of the road when I'm cooking and stuff like that. Ooh, food system, got bananas, apples, crisps from rice cakes, Ninja blender, 2 cans of Bush's, slow cooked K-savory pinto beans, apples, plates, food in the refrigerator, microwave. A key to the area, which I have not looked at yet. New batteries in the key fob, did that. Presently getting files copied over. I had to format the card on this. And then we have a love seat with my clothes for tomorrow laid out on it. I gotta take a shower, riding jeans, cooler, boots, bag of odds and ends, coat, a moose, camera bag, which I'm going to probably take some stuff out of here shortly and put into a fanny pack. That's right, a fanny pack. A fanny pack. That's the room. And then the motorcycle. The motorcycle is out there. Right there. Right there. It's in bed. I put it to sleep. And that is the gist of the room. And of course we had the bathroom where I'm presently drying my stuff because I washed it in the sink as you saw. And the new vanity has already been installed, so we're all set. Ah yes. Good times, great days, and 456 miles a day I think. Something like that. See, we'll verify. Let's see here. Uh, 63,270 miles on the bike. I took a picture of it. And take our math. 63,270 miles today minus 62,834 miles when I left my KLIM 436 miles today. So not 450, but 436. Not bad. Is this magnetic? Nope. Glad I didn't let go of the camera. That'd have been embarrassing. Alright, I'm about ready to go to bed because I'm exhausted. It's 11:25 p.m. No editing tonight. This might have to wait till I get home. I gotta charge this when I don't want this tomorrow. But I will see you all in the morning.